Yeah, well, today is a different context, I suppose, around and to talk about the tikanga of that, I suppose that could vary in places to places, and iwi and whānau themselves will define what that is. But I suppose the principle itself is about nourishing and upholding and maintaining. It's always about strengthening links, or for me, it's about maintaining those links and whakapapa connections and the values that we share with each other through whakapapa. So that to me is how I understand the tikanga of whāngai. It might be different for you, Maraea.
I think I'm on the same wavelength too, that whāngai is about, you know, when you think about the tikanga of whāngai, is to notice when something's going wrong in the whānau. It's about building this, being that safety mechanism for whānau, tuatahi, also that connection of whakapapa or the strengthening of other whakapapa to make, if whakapapa is not strengthened and that sort of link has